The self-care menu is your personal self-care directory. It is space for you to categorize your favorite self-care rituals and wellness-related activities so that you can choose activities based on how you currently feel, based on your needs, and how much time you want to dedicate to those needs on any given day. You'll see on the self-care menu, we've categorized it into mind, body, and soul. And 10 minutes or less, 30 minutes or less, and 60 minutes or more. The 10 minutes or less category is for simple, quick activities that you can do anywhere, whether you're at home or at work or somewhere in between. The 30 minutes or less category requires a little more time investment, so it may need to be pre-planned or scheduled into your day ahead of time. It also may be something that you can do on your lunch break or incorporated into your morning ritual. The 60 minutes or more category requires the most time investment, so this will probably need to be pre-planned and scheduled into your week. There are always going to be activities that fall into all three categories: mind, body, and soul. So to avoid duplication, think about how each activity makes you feel. How does it contribute to your well-being? The self-care menu also goes hand in hand with the daily self-care planner, which is located on your weekly spread. It serves as a bit of a reference point that helps alleviate decision fatigue when you're unsure of, say, the best way to recharge in 10 minutes.